We're about to test out this nice barbecue aid. I love that they call it barbecue aid because it will definitely help me clean my barbecue. Now this is a new type of device. I've seen these ones before that you have to submerge into water, but look at kind of that harsh, coarse kind of surface without any bristles. So you don't have any bristles that might actually fall into the barbecue and eventually in your food. So you've got a really nice, strong, really sturdy, strong metal grate. So if you want to get out those hard to get pieces, but I think we might be able to do everything with this because it's actually really nice. So we have to submerge it first. But before we do that, I want to note that this barbecue now is at over, look at that, 600 degrees. So that's what I typically do. Before I do it, I don't do it cold, I do it hot, and this is what it's needed because you will be using the power of steam because this is gonna get wet. So we're gonna open it up. It is dirty, as you can see, and then I turn off all burners. So all the burners are off. Man, this thing needs a good clean. So we're going to submerge it. Make sure that, and it's not like a sponge, which is super interesting. It is not a real typical sponge. So we're gonna get as much water as we can in here. And then literally, oh, look at that. You can see that bubble. You can see that steam working. I'm not putting that much effort into this, and it is taking care of that. Look at that. You really see and the heat, of course. I'm gonna add a little bit more water and then continue on. Oh, that's the tough part right there. But yeah, you can see it. Everything is melting away. And I know that my grill is going to get clean. And if I need to get a little bit of those harder to get things, just like that, boom, get that out, this as well. But I would say 95% of all the grime is able to get taken care of with this part, with steam, as you can see. And then the rest, I can actually use this. I love the handle. It's a nice wooden handle. I love the fact that some of them don't come with this. I can actually hook this onto the side of my barbecue, which is a great thing. And this head is also replaceable. So that's a good thing as well. So, once after a few, I don't know how many, because this is going to last me a while. After a while, I'm gonna have to replace it, and I just take care of these 3 screws right there and replace the head. So yeah, this is fantastic. While it's hot, I'm gonna continue.